Hey guys, today I've got a quick review of the E-Yooso 75% keyboard. This has 81 keys on it, a button and knob right here, and a very cool pattern on it. We're going to do a quick sound test of the board, and then we're going to look at the RGB and see basically how I like this keyboard. I do a ton of reviews on Amazon keyboards. I'll leave a card up here for my playlist. Let's get into the review. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox the E-Yooso. This is a mechanical keyboard, 82 key, and it has a knob on it. So excited to check this one out. We will be doing a sound test soon. Comes with a nice instruction manual and then a very cool look right here. So this is very unique. You have the letters on the front of the keycaps. And then you have this very cool line pattern across the top, and then the nice switch right here. This is your typical 75% layout, so that's good to see there. Let's check out the build quality here. Pretty stiff plastic, actually. It's pretty hard to get any sort of flex out of it. If we take a look at the back here, we do have 2 layers of feet, so you can do the top or the smaller ones. I always like to see that, a little customizability. Over here we have the dongle, so this does go by 2.4 gigahertz dongle right here. I like to see that. And then on this side we have the Bluetooth or the 2.4 G mode, and then your charging cable right here. So very cool, pretty standard. The big thing here is going to be, how does this keyboard sound? Let's check out the accessories and then we'll get into it. So typical key switch puller right here. A couple extra switches. These are the gray ones. And then right here we have a nice right angle USB-C cable. And this is not braided or anything, just your standard kind of rubber cable material, but it does come with a little cable wrap. So, all right, let's get into the sound test. So I think the highlight of that sound test is the spacebar. I'm definitely more of a muted spacebar guy. I don't like when the spacebar kind of overshadows all the other sound, and in this case, it's pretty muted. As far as the rest of the keys, they sound good. They don't sound great. Nothing is kind of blowing my mind here, though it is a nice little board. So we can take a look at the RGB here. It is nice that you can see it through the caps. And then it's always nice to have the knob here. So let's go through this manual real quick and see if we can adjust some of the RGB settings and see what it offers. So backlight switching mode would be function plus insert. So let's try that. Function plus insert. Pretty satisfying. A little pulsing one right there. Pretty standard stuff, but it is nice to be able to easily adjust that kind of on the fly. All right, guys. Well, that is about it. I will leave a link to all my other keyboard reviews up here, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out this in the video description. I will have an affiliate link down there if you're interested in trying it out. Thanks for watching Modern Reviews.